it's Jamie here. I am here to talk to you about how to change colors with the foundation half double crochet stitch. So much like other color changing videos, it's going to be all about changing colors at the last 2 loops on your hook, or in this case 3 loops on your hook. So I've got my first color started. I've followed my pattern or made the number of foundation crochet stitches, half double crochet stitches that I wanted to make. I'm going to insert my hook here. I like to work vertically. I'm going to pull up let's get my next color ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to do one more stitch and then we'll change colors. So yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, chain 1, and then here's where I would yarn over and finish out the half double crochet stitch. And before I get to the next color, if you need to see a tutorial on how to make the foundation half double crochet stitch, I'll put a link below to that video so you can go watch that in slow motion and then jump back to this one. But here we are, we're ready to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. But just like changing colors in the rest of the rows of crochet, you're gonna do that with your new color. So I make a loop with the new color, wrap it around the mouth, and then I hold on to my work and the tail of the orange, kind of everything to keep it from getting too loose. And I'm going to pull that new color through. As I finish out the stitch, I can kind of tighten the orange yarn tail here, and then I can make sure that my yellow yarn tail is out of the way. And I can get ready to make the next stitch. So it's a little tough at first because you're used to seeing where to put your hook, and the way the new yarn tail is kind of gets in the way. But I like to turn vertically, find that V where I'm going to put my stitch. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook under the 2 loops, right? So I've got 2 loops here, and then I'm going to hold these tails out of my way, take the long tail, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and chain 1. And you can see it's getting a little out of tension here, but we can fix that in just a second. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And there we have the first foundation half double crochet stitch in the new color. You'll probably have to be like me and give a little tug on these yarn tails in the back there to kind of get that back to the tension that you need it to be consistent. And then we can just continue on with the next foundation half double crochet in the new color. So I'll just make a couple of those so you can see. Oops. My hook in there. Keep getting my hook stuck. All right, one more. Got my knot in my yarn, so we'll just ignore that. But here we are. Get my hook out of the way. Here we are with a row of foundation half double crochet stitches, and we've been able to change colors in the middle of it, and it's much harder than changing colors regularly. So you can, again, tug on those yarn tails, get them to help the consistency throughout your swatch. And there you go. I will also link to a couple of patterns down below that use this stitch if you want to find something to practice with. And if you have any questions, comment down below. Let me know what other stitch tutorials you want to see. And hope you have a great day.